Hi everyone, Sue here. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you my first attempt at needle felting. This felted cat tree bauble from the makers was organised through Cats Protection here in the UK and was sent as part of an online Christmas Craftalong. I'm very much a cat person and I do advocate adopting a cat from a cat shelter. Maisie was born in the Cats Protection shelter as her mum was found abandoned and pregnant. How could someone be so heartless? Anyway, I fell in love with her sweet little kitten face as soon as I saw her picture posted on the local Cats Protection website, and then she was ours. We have this large wodge of raw combed sheep's wool, a pipe cleaner, various packs, two small rectangles of what looks like woolen underlay, and a chocolate mouse. That's my prize for when I finished. These packets on the right have small amounts of coloured wools. There are some eye beads and 3 really sharp long felting needles. Steffi from the makers took us through every step online, starting by wrapping the pipe cleaner with wool and then joining and bending it into shape to make the framework for the cat, then adding the bulk of the body and gradually stabbing more bits of wool on to bulk it out, more stabbing, rolled up sections of wool to make the muzzle, more stabbing, and then we made the eyes and glued in some eye beads before we carried on with the paws and the tail, more stabbing. It was at this point that my camera decided to stop, so I missed out on filming the decoration of the bauble with the fur patterns. I decided to go for a cartoon version of Maisie as my bauble was looking very much like a head with paws. So after I'd finished her coat, I felted around her eyes with black to show off her black eyeliner. Here you go, couldn't tell them apart, could you? Some people find this craft quite addictive, but I think you'd need an artistic flair as well as practice to get really good. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.